Albert Einstein discovered his first atom at age 8. Barack Obama wrote his first sonnet at age 12.
Let's face it, you're running out of time to accomplish anything of note while you're alive on this planet. You don't want to be completely forgotten immediately the moment you die, do you? Well, now there's an answer. Become a construction worker.
Construction workers are among the most revered people in our society. They build our roads, our cars, our swamps, our villages. They entertain our children in need. And unlike our pathetic Congress in Washington, D.C., they get stuff done. This political season, vote construction workers for president. Hasn't our nation had enough horse shit?